Hey, so if your Google Slides look messy or inconsistent in 2026, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix common formatting issues step by step and make your slides look clean and professional again. First, open your browser and go to Google Slides. Log in using your Google account email and password. Once you're inside, open the presentation where formatting looks off. Start by checking slide layouts. Select a slide, go to Slide, then Apply Layout, and choose the correct layout. This often fixes spacing and alignment issues instantly. Next, fix font problems. Use one font for headings and one for body text. Avoid mixing multiple fonts. It makes slides look unorganized. If many slides are affected, open master slides and set fonts there so changes apply everywhere. Now focus on alignment. Select text boxes or images and use the alignment tools to line them up properly. Clean alignment makes a huge difference. Yeah, even small fixes improve the overall look. If text feels crowded, adjust line spacing and bullet spacing. Give content room to breathe. Avoid long paragraphs and keep text boxes balanced. For copied content, remove extra formatting. Paste text without formatting. Then apply your slide styles manually. This removes hidden font or spacing issues from other sources. Check images next. Make sure images aren't stretched and are sized consistently. Resize proportionally and align them with nearby content for a balanced layout. Also, standardize colors. Use the same text and background colors across slides. Random color changes can distract and break visual flow. Before finishing, switch to presentation mode and review everything. Look for jumps in font size, layout changes, or alignment issues between slides and fix them. And that's it. By using proper layouts, consistent fonts, clean alignment, balanced spacing, and master slides, you can quickly fix formatting issues in Google Slides. If this helped, hit the like button, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, take care.